This year for Cook Island Language Week 2023, Raukawa Vibes will be doing fantastic things and catching up with awesome superstars in our Ātuitui community. Stay locked and loaded throughout this week, Cook Island Language Week, as we celebrate it with you. Kia ora, Papa Mac.
Kia ora, kia ora.
Now, I've always known you as Papa Mac.
Aye.
Give me your official name, official title.
Tōku I mua, o Makira Maea. E mua tukuna tia, e Metua, tapa ia mai e kirunga iahu, e roto I tia. Ara mai au ki au te awane, I came to New Zealand, and all the church doing, getting in the church involvement, and the community itself. Diro mai rira, e kataanga te mātu, e kataanga te marikia, nā te aronga pakari. Anau ia ki e taki, I te matai te tōsini e iwa anere e te mōra marima. A e te maa marima. Marima e te no aroa. Tawa mai tu matai te ki e taki, karuke te api, ara mai ki nusi e. Me kemi pōpenga no te ngotu ai. To get some money for the family. O te tumu ia e tai mai e ki te inua Aotearoa. Karuke te kukare, ara mai. Te lima hōru matai ki tērā, I roto e te hoi te Tokoroa, I rongo e te inua Aotearoa. O te roa te ia I tōku noa hori tāua ki te tu. E te atua mana, te atua kaka. Te ki koe te aroa e te tākinga me taki. Te haru ni mātou e te atua I te tumu tāpura o te epetomo o te reo Kuki Airani. Aka matai nā roto I te peu pure, pure te ia, te kamatanga e tō mau kakoroanga, tō mātou kakoroanga, e roto e te Airani. Ariki mai I tā mau karawe, ke tua toa no te au rā te kairi e mātou ki mo, no te e matai ki rongo mātou. Nā roto e Yesu pure mātou, tēne e tuatau wātu. Amen.
Amen. These are some important questions, with it being Cook Island Language Week. And you're a very, huge part of our Cook Island community here in Tokoroa. How important is it to you that we recognise our language every single year?
Now, as a little boy, up to the year of 17, I know how to speak the Cook Island language and English language. Because in the Cook Island, you go to Araura School, the school I was talking about. Araura School is the main school in Raura, in Ātuitui, called Araura School. When you go to school, out of the school ground, you leave the Cook Island language out. You enter the school, you speak English. If you get caught speaking Cook Island language, you'll be put the age Maori tōka.
Wow.
Nice. And then today, we need to bring back our language, our reo, back to our children, teach our children.
All right, Papa Mac, tell me about your family. Hey? How many wives do you have? How many children?
Thank you for that. Because Ātuitui is, they follow the ancestor Ru, right? How many wives Ru had? Some people say they had 20 maidens, 20 wives. When we were at school, they say, oh, Ru got 20 wives. And then come after, they say, no, not wives, maidens. All those rave. We don't know. The truth will come out one day. So, my siblings had 13 of us in our family. 13 in our family.
So, Papa Mac, your wife's name is?
My wife's name is Āirani, Maea.
So, how many kids do you have?
We have 3 girls and 3 boys. We have 14 grandchildren and 1 grandchild.
Wow.
So
4 generations, Papa Mac, already?
Yes. Hey? So God has blessed us this time.
I like it. Hey, a couple more questions, Papa Mac. Food. What's your favourite Cook Island food?
Poke.
Yep.
Taro.
Yep.
And coconut.
As a Cook Islander in our community here in Tokoroa, what's one thing you want to see change?
Well, I want, it's only our thinking. I want Tokoroa to go back to the old ways, like many businesses here in Tokoroa, many new homes here in Tokoroa. I can see the new plants out here that's coming up. just saying to us, is it the beginning of the new Tokoroa? Who knows, only God knows. So those things and gathering of the people together.
It's great advice, Mike. That's awesome advice. And just to our listeners, today is the beginning of Cook Island Language Week. We'll put up in the description below on where you can go along and celebrate Cook Island Language Week throughout the week. And get along and support and do what you can in our community, because Cook Island Week is one of our massive language weeks here in Tokoroa.
Puri tātou ki teto. Te tōku tai mātou ki te opanga e tā mātou. Ko perepereanga. Runga e te tūtū nene. Roto katoa e te au mea. Rekoti ne. No tō mātou a whakarongo. Te waipua e te atua no tā mātou o tamari. No te uki e tū mai. Ari te mai i tā māua e rau. E roto e te ara. E mataora mātou i te toenga o te aia. Nā roto e Yesu pure mātou. Tēnei e tuatau atu. Amen.